Hi students, how are you? Had your breakfast? Nice. Okay children, in the last class, what you have learned? Yes, you have learned two special triangles. What are they? Yes, equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. Okay, in an equilateral triangle, yes, all the sides are equal and each angle measures 60 degrees. Okay, na? In isosceles triangle, yes, two sides are equal. Okay, so we have learned in the previous class. Today you are going to learn a new topic, that is the sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. Okay, so is it clear? Sum of the lengths of a two sides of a triangle. So take a triangle. So one acute or obtuse triangle or right angle triangle. Take any triangle. Okay. So here I have taken one acute angle to triangle. Okay. So it is an acute angle triangle A, B, C. Observe here. If I will take here 2 centimeters, so here 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Triangle ABC, if you do sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. What is the stake here? Two sums. Two sides of a sum. It gives what? Check once. Here 2 centimeters. It is 2 centimeters. Okay. 2 centimeters, now I am taking here 2 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. It is 7 centimeters. And take one more 2 sides, 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. It is 5 centimeters. Or take 5 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Okay. So that means if you take the sum of two sides of sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So this one you have to observe. So if you take sum of two sides in a triangle, 2 plus 5, this 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 centimeter. This 7 centimeter is greater than 3 centimeters. Yes, that means the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of third side. So, like that, take 2 centimeters or 3 centimeters. It gives 5 centimeter. This 5 centimeters is greater than or equal. So, it is equal to third side. Okay? Right. And next 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Some 8 centimeters. These 8 centimeters are greater than 2 centimeters. So here only the thing you have to observe here, the length, sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle. Sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Length of the third side. Okay. So if you take sum of two sides, that is greater than the third side. If you observe carefully, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters is equal to 5 centimeters. But here, the third side, sum of two sides, both are equal. Is it possible to construct a triangle? No. So it is not possible to construct a triangle. But we have to observe only the length, sum of the lengths of two sides is greater than the third side. Suppose next take one more triangle. triangle ABC. So here 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and next to here 4 centimeters. Okay, so 4 are take 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Now observe the difference of the lengths of two sides. So first take these two sides. What is there? 7 centimeters minus 5 centimeters. 7 centimeters minus 5, it gives 2 centimeters. This 2 centimeters length of two sides is greater than or less than? Yes, this is less than the third side. Now, okay, and take these two sides. 8 centimeters minus 5 centimeters. 8 centimeter minus 5 centimeters, it gives 3 centimeter. These 3 centimeters are greater or lesser than the third side? Yes, it is less than the third side. And next, take these two sides difference. 8 centimeters minus 7 centimeter. Yes, 1 centimeter. This 1 centimeter is less than the third side. Okay, you have to observe here the difference of any two sides of the difference of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. In the sum, two sides of a triangle are greater than the third side. Okay, the difference of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is smaller than the length of the third side. Okay, now children, so this one we have to remember based on this topic. Now we have to do exercise problems. Now take your notebooks, keep heading exercise 6.4. Exercise 6.4. First one. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Here, first one, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Here given 3 sides. Okay, so using these 3 sides, is it possible to construct a triangle or not? So we know that now sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. So that one you have to apply here. First to take here three sides. Now take two sides. 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. Okay, it gives 5 centimeters. This 5 centimeters is greater than the third side? No, it is equal to third side, 5 centimeter. Next take these two sides, 3 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. So sum is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters is greater than 2 centimeters? Yes, it is greater than 2 centimeters. Next take 5 centimeters, okay, 2 centimeters. It gives 7 centimeters. These 7 centimeters are greater than third side. Yes, it is greater than the third side. But here, is it possible to construct a triangle? One angle is equal. Okay, so the sum of the lengths of two sides are equal to No. So it is, therefore it is not possible. It is not possible. Right. Second one. Second one. 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. So here observe 3 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Take these two sides sum. So it gives 9 centimeters. This 9 centimeters greater than the third side? Yes, it is greater than the third side. Now take two sides, that is 6 centimeters plus 7 centimeters. Sum means addition ma. Sum means addition. Okay. So 6 plus 7 is 13 centimeters. This 13 centimeters greater than third side. Okay. Right. Next take 7 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. It gives 10 centimeter. This 10 centimeters greater than 6 centimeters? Yes. Okay. So it is possible. Not only do the sum, you have to do difference also. Instead of plus, you have to keep minus. Okay. That one also you have to observe here. 6 centimeters minus 3 centimeters is equal to 3 centimeters. These 3 centimeters are less than? Yes, it is less than third side. And next, take 7 centimeters minus 6 centimeters. Yes, 1 centimeter. This 1 centimeter is less than the 3 centimeters. And next, 7 centimeters minus 3 centimeters is equal to 4 centimeters is less than 6 centimeters. It is also applicable. So that's why it is possible to construct a triangle. So you write here, therefore it is possible. It is possible. So like that, third one we have to do. 6 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters given. So that one we have to do. Right. Next, second one. Now, second problem, see, take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. OQ plus OR is greater than QR. Okay, QR. OR plus OP is greater than RP. So now you have to prove this one. Sum of lengths of two sides is greater than third side. Here now join this OQ, OR. Okay, so how many triangles form? So here POR, next QR, POQ. Observe. Here three triangles. First take the triangle is what is this? OPQ. Right. Here two sides that are OP plus OQ. Sum of two sides is greater than the third side? Yes. So in the triangle OPQ, so this OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Right. Next, observe here, this OQ plus OR. Sum of these two lengths is greater than QR. Yes, these two sides greater than the third side. Yes, it is correct. And next, OR plus OP. Sum of the lengths of two sides is greater than RP. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. So you have to do right. Next one, AM is a median of a triangle ABC. Is AB plus BC plus M. So here third one, ABC is a triangle. ABC, and here AM is the median. AM is the median. Here this BM and MC both are equal. Okay, you know that median. So median is the line segment joined from vertex A to the opposite side of BC. Okay, so this median divides two parts, that is BM and MC, two triangles. Now write, here you have to prove AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Okay, 2AM, two medians. So that means AB plus BC plus CA. So these all lengths are greater than the 2AM. Now we have to prove that one. So first of all, here how many triangles formed? How many triangles formed here? Two triangles. What are they? A, B, M. A, C, M. Two triangles. ABM and ACM. We know that sum of lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, so here observe first a triangle ABM. Triangle ABM. Sum of two sides greater than the third side. Two sides, what are they here? Yes, AB plus BM. Sum of two sides greater than the third side, that is AM. Next triangle ACM. Triangle ACM, two sides. So that is, what are the sides here? MC plus CA. MC plus CA is greater than third side, that is AM. Observe these two equations. Okay, observe from these two. AB plus BM is greater than AM. MC plus CA is greater than AM in the two triangles. Okay, from 1 and 2 we get, from 1 and 2 we get AB plus BM. Add these two mark. So AB plus BM plus MC plus CA is greater than AM plus AM. So here observe AB plus BM and MC. Both are, observe BM and MC. Both, yes. So median is divides. So that means the median is the midpoint of BC. These two lengths are equal to the total length of BC plus CA is greater than AM plus AM to AM. Now observe here, BM plus MC is equal to BC. Now observe this AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Yes. So therefore AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Okay, right children. Next fourth one. Fourth question. AB quadrilateral. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD? These two are diagonals. The quadrilateral contains four sides. Okay, so these two diagonals forms how many triangles? Four triangles. Now we have to show this lengths of AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Now we have to know the property of a triangle, that is the sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Right, that one? We know that the sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle, two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Length of the third side. Here observe first triangle. Four triangles are formed. First triangle. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, sum of two sides. What are the two sides? Yes, AB plus BC is greater than third side. Okay, AB plus BC is greater than AC. And next in triangle BCD. Triangle BCD. Sum of two sides. Yes, BC plus CD is greater than, what is that? BD. BD. So it is one and it is second one. Right. Now in triangle, next triangle CDA. Triangle CDA. Sum of two sides. CD plus DA. Yes, it is greater than third side, that is AC. Next, fourth triangle, that is DAB. DAB. Sum of two sides means, yes, DA plus next AB. AB is greater than BD. Okay, so from four steps we get from 1, 2, 3 and 4 we get here AB plus BC plus next BC plus CD plus CD plus DA plus next to DA plus AB is greater than AC plus BD plus AC plus BD plus AC plus BD. Okay, so right here. So AB here AB. So how many ABs? 2 AB plus BC 2 BC next CD 2 CD next to DA 2 DA is greater than AC plus AC 2 AC plus 2 BD 2 BD. Right. So among 2 is common. So take out 2 of AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than, here also take 2 2 common, 2 of AC plus BD. So here 2 cancel. Now what is the remaining? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Is it true? Tell me. So here is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD? Yes, it is correct. So therefore AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Right children, next fifth one, ABCD is a quadrilateral. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 of AC plus BD. Same we solved in the previous problem, no? Same this one. You have to show here less than. Okay. So here also four triangles form. So you have to do this one homework. Next last question, sixth one. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeters and 15 centimeters. Between what to measure should the length of the third side fall? Okay, here observe length of two sides of a triangles. So one is 12 centimeters, 15 centimeters. Between the two measures, the third side length will be fall. Third side should the length of the third side fall. So observe here, we know that the properties of a triangle, that is sum of the lengths of two sides is greater than the third side. So two sides sum, that is 15 plus 12 centimeter, yes, 27 centimeter. Okay, so if you take difference 15 minus 2, it gives 12 centimeters, gives 3 centimeters. That means here 27. So this one is greater than the third side. Or if you take difference, it is less than the third side. So that's why you have to write here the length of the third side of the triangle must be greater than 3 centimeters and less than 27 centimeters. Here write, hence the length of third side must be greater than 3 centimeters and less than 27 centimeters. Okay, so right children, today your homework is exercise 6.4, page number 126. Okay, 126. Example problems also do ma. Question number 5. How to do example problems. Right children? Examples also. Example 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay children? Bye. Have a nice day.